As of this morning, health officials confirmed nearly 100 new cases of COVID-19 in South Dakota. 7 of those are in Brown County, bringing that county's total to 127 people infected. The majority of those cases are connected to the Demco beef plant. Yet the county seat, South Dakota's 3rd largest city, Aberdeen, is back open for business with some new precautions in place. KENNECKE's KENNECKE talked with a business owner and Aberdeen's mayor about the decision as cases continue to rise.
A steady stream of traffic could be found on Aberdeen's main drags over the weekend. For business owner Lowell Punt, who owns 2 restaurant bars in town, it was his first time back in business since voluntarily closing on March 22nd.
This was more like steady all day long, you know, and it was never like you got hit or anything like that. So that was different. And the zoo was slower, but I think when the business is, you have a dance floor and all that, and you don't have those things going, you know, you kind of totally changed the scope of your business right there.
Hunt is following the rules set out in the city's new ordinance, which allows him to reopen. The new requirements include things like allowing fewer people in, more space between tables, and having staff wear masks.
Throw away menus, you know, just printed menus. We don't use them twice. We have QR codes on the tables where if you have a smartphone, you can just pull up the menu. We use instead of, you know, having ketchup bottles and the condiments, we use all disposable things, packets.
Breaking the new rules is a Class 2 misdemeanor, which could result in a $500 fine and jail time.
There's already been some people that have called the police on, and the police have shown up and taken a look and just made sure that things were running as though they should. And so I feel like the enforcement is there.
Mayor Travis SCHAUNAMAN says he's confident in Aberdeen's reopening, even with the rising COVID-19 cases.
It's a higher ratio of Demco to the total cases here than Smithfield was to Sioux Falls. In fact, it's a majority of our cases.
Demco never shut down, and SCHAUNAMAN says they're monitoring employees and reducing capacity by changing shifts.
You're satisfied that they're doing what they need to do to control this in your community?
They're taking a lot of steps, and I think that they're doing the best job that they can, considering the human component of it all, you know.
But the real reason why SCHAUNAMAN says it's safe to reopen is that only 4 people have been hospitalized with the virus in Aberdeen.
And so our rate of hospitalization is less than 3%. It's a fraction of what we were fearing that it would be. We took some drastic measures to really ensure that the hospitals would have the room, and that's not going to be a problem. It simply can't be a problem at this stage in the game.
However, not everyone on the Aberdeen City Council is comfortable with businesses reopening as cases go up. The City Council is meeting at this hour, and KENNECKE News is monitoring the discussion. But it would take well over a week to reverse the current ordinance. We'll have an update for you tonight at 10. KENNECKE, KENNECKE News.
Demco Ranch Beef is working closely with the state. The health secretary says the plant has installed physical barriers between workstations and is doing symptom checks twice a day.